Here we go on another informational video for insurance agents. Did you know that drones have revolutionized roof inspections? Let's dive in. Traditional roof inspections can be risky, time-consuming, and costly, but with Studio 5 drone productions, we eliminate the dangers and inefficiencies. Our drones access hard-to-reach areas safely and swiftly, cutting inspection times by up to 75%. You will receive photos of every square inch of the roof and gutters, since our drones are equipped with high-resolution cameras, and our drones provide detailed insights, allowing for early detection of issues. Early detection means fewer costly repairs and more savings for your clients. For insurance agencies, this translates to faster claims processing and lower labor costs. In fact, drone inspections can reduce costs by up to 50%. Imagine the competitive edge you'll have with such innovative services. Ready to revolutionize your roof inspections? Contact Studio 5 Drone Productions today for a free consultation and see our drones in action. We can even help your clients save money in the summer and winter by providing thermal inspections, which will make you the best insurance agent in town. So, visit Studio5DroneProductions.com and elevate your inspections with us.